Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how we can create Google Sites. Google Sites is nothing but a Google web page. Means any web page or a website, something like that. We can create uh, a page on the web with the help of Google Sites. Let us see that quickly. Just open your Google Drive. So first you need to log in into your mail here. In the next tab, I am opening my Google Drive. So the creation of Google Sites option is available in the Google Drive. I don't know how many of you have noticed this or not. So this is my Google Drive, and here you can find a drop down. Click on the drop down, and here you can see you. Okay, click on more. Here under more you can see the Google Sites. So click on Google Sites. Google Sites is nothing but just a web page. Means if you want to have a profile page or a web page of your own with your name, with your self details, or your artwork details, or your photography details, you can see. For example, this is the tour. For now, I'm skipping this. Enter the site of the name. So, what your site is about. For example, my photography site. Just any my photography. You can add a logo. For example, upload. It will ask for you to upload from a picture from your computer. So I'm just uploading a random pic. Here you can find the options: insert text box, I can insert images, I can insert, I can embed a code, I can upload something, I can create the pages, I can choose the themes. So now you can give the page title. What this page is about? My photography info. So something like that. I can drag this. This is the title, and I can change the image here. I can upload a banner type of image. Banner image should be of size something. It should match this size. The width should be more and the height should be less. Okay. Double click on this area. This is the area for body, and I need to enter some text. So I'm entering the text. This is a sample page where we can write all the body content of this page. Anything, and I can uh, insert an image to here. If you want, you can. So I can insert an image here. Means if you wrote anything regarding to your photography, and if you want to insert an image, you can do this. So I can choose a theme here. I can insert various things here. So after once it is done, you can check on the preview how it looks. This is the body and this is the page, and you can write your profile, all your profile here. And once it is done, you can click on the close symbol, and if you click on publish here, it will ask to enter the site name. So Photoshop, if it is available, Photoshop 45. So click on publish. This is just a rough tutorial or a beginning tutorial, very beginning tutorial. Actually, you can do much more things with this. So after that, okay. Once you click on publish, you'll get an option here. So click on view, and this is your site URL. I'll paste it in the this notepad. So if you forward this URL to anyone, for example this one, uh, the others can see this page like this. I hope you learned something about Google sites. If you wanna try, you can go to your Google Drive and go to your drop down and go to your Google sites and try this web page creation. I hope you like this and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.